Good afternoon. So today I am going to discuss about very important circular that was dated in 24 uh, March 2023. It was a circular of SOP or Standard Operating Procedure of Videography for Inspection Committee members. When the inspection committee members will visit the school, these standard operating systems should be maintained by the school. Very important about the videography, because before that there was no do's and don'ts from the point of view of the CBSE. Now these are all these things are available. Now you are coming to the Annexure A. Annexure A means that duration of the videography, because this duration should be maintained, because we have watched that during the videography, we have watched some of the schools, they have taken 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes videos, they have taken more than 1 hour's video. But this videography and this duration should be maintained by the school. Serial number, and it should be maintained serially. The serial number, the name of the school permanently painted. It should be permanently painted and displayed on the facade or the entrance gate. And no flex board will be allowed. There should be no flex board will be allowed. The name of the school prominently painted. And the boundary wall of the school on all sides of the aerial view. And the parking and open area of the assembly. That will be included 5 minutes. That will be included in the 5 minutes. So there is a serial number. So when the editing portion of the videography will be done, so ask the videographer that synchronize that with serial number. Number 2, playground with outdoor and indoor sports facility up to 3 minutes wide angle coverage of video. That is why I have suggested that yes, it will be better to hire a professional videographer, because the professional videographer would know what is the wide angle coverage and what is the other angle coverages. So playground should be taken, outdoor and indoor both will be taken in the wide angle coverage of the video. Number 3, all laboratory science subject means composite lab, computer lab, maths lab, including stock register. Stock register should be videographed. Practical file should be videographed, and if any wide angle shot to show dimension of the videograph, it will be storage and seating arrangement of the students, that also will be videographed, and it will be for 5 minutes for all labs. 5 minutes for all lab. Number 4, library. It will also be taken or videographed by with wide angle shots of the library, and it will be 2 minutes. Number 5, very important, very important, approach to the toilet and entering into the toilet. All CWSN compliant toilets will be there on every floor, that will be maintained with proper permanent signet. And 3 minutes for boys and girls. The duration has been given. Number 6, drinking water arrangement. 2 minutes. Number 7, fire safety equipments up to 2 minutes. Fire safety equipments means when it will be completed, all the fire safety equipments, the components should be videographed. Number 8, very important, classroom and occupied and vacant. There should be occupied classroom and there should be vacant classroom. Suppose you are going for the fresh affiliation, there should be a vacant classroom for the class 9 students. Suppose you are upgrading to senior secondary, there should be a vacant classroom for the 11. So it will be 3 minutes. And what is the synchronization? That is start with primary, middle, secondary and senior secondary, whichever is applicable. Serial number 9, other rooms. Other rooms means that beside the classroom, indoor games facility, auditorium, activity rooms, wellness rooms, everything up to 2 minutes. Number 10, faculty interaction. In faculty interaction with the inspection committee or the classroom interaction. All the classroom interaction means the classroom, the teachers are teaching in the classroom. That will be in 3 minutes. Next is 11, very important, document verification. During the time of the document verification of the school, of the teachers, that should be taken up to 5 minutes. Very important, no assembly, welcome ceremony, lighting lamp, recitation organized. The videography should include a group photo. Only a group photo will be taken, no assembly, no welcoming ceremony. We have seen so many videos are there, so many videos are uploaded, and we have seen the inspection committee have been garlanded, have been welcomed, and there will be a ceremony, special assembly. No such assembly is required. Now we are coming to the do's and don'ts. Very important, what you need to do. Professional photographer should be hired. I have told you earlier that professional photographer should be hired. Next, the video should be shot in continuation starting from the entry of the school, covering the school name, and subsequently covering the rest of the facilities. That means the video should start from the entry of the school. Number 3, the aerial view of the school entire area including boundary wall and the playground should be shot using drone camera. That means the school, the area of the school with the 4 boundary wall, that should be taken in the drone camera as well as the playground, because most of the school they don't know, and they have taken the video in the playground, especially in the playground with other ranges of cameras, but should be taken in the drone camera. The boundary wall of the school should be completely covered with all 4 sides, because whenever you are taking the camera, the drone camera, and from the drone camera it should be shown that the school is covered with 4 sides with walls. The CWSM toilets, very important. The CWSM toilet should be there, covered with all the floors, with the permanent name indicating the floor and the name. Everything should be specified. The name should be there. The long shot of the ramp should be covered so as to clearly show slope gradient to the ramp. You need to take long shot of the ramp. The signature or mentioning names, classes, labs, other activities, library, toilet should be covered. Sitting area in library, very important. Storage space in lab should be covered. Everything should be covered, keep in mind. All the facilities in the presence of IC committee members should be covered in the video. The video should be comprehensive, covering all the parameters. What you don't do, number 1, very important, the video should not be more than the prescribed duration, because you cannot go beyond the prescribed duration. Many of the schools, they have preferred to go more than 2 hours. It is not recommended. The video should not be shot in bits and pieces. It should not be bits and pieces. The video should not be shot using mobile camera, very important. The image of the video should not be blurred, it should be cleared. Multiple video links should not be submitted, very important. One YouTube video link should be submitted. The video link should not be removed under any circumstances. The school should not upload a video in Google Drive. It should not be in Google Drive, should be in YouTube. It is a mandatory disclosure. At the time of the shooting video, it should be ensured that the toilets are vacant. No students will be there. No welcome ceremony, conduct of assembly is to be covered. So that videography and the SOP of the videography is very important for those schools, those who are going for the face affiliation, or those who are going for the upgradation to the senior secondary. So thank you everyone, and I will be coming back with another video. Thank you everyone.